Sunrise over the bottom lake at Ebro.
That's blood.
He's won €10. €10 off each of us. €10 for the first fish. There's Keith stuffing his face. Gudgeon. Real tree noddy. There it is.
Oh, them rocks. Oh, them rocks. Not very big, but... There you go. Somebody!
I'm videoing them all, that's it. Good night.
Spanish gold bar, £28.
Spawning every fucking single one of them. Let's keep like, he's so bored we're going to go and run up that hill in a minute.
Blankety blank, blankety blank.
But we ain't blank yet, Keith, have we, mate?
Not yet.
We got a... Yes!
Rodney's back in town.
There he is, boy, the happiest man in Mequinenza. Woohoo! Thinking about what might happen. The rods ain't doing a lot. Cool. I've given him 3 days to get in front of me. And tomorrow, Rodney's going to do them. We're 3 days into the holiday. We're all still reasonably good mates. But if we're going to go on the same plane, is yet to be seen. JB done me last night. I'm pretty sure it's going to do me again tonight. Supermarket tomorrow, gonna have a couple of bottles. Yeah. This is... Look at this, look, here we go.
What are you looking at?
Oh, you replay. Here we go. Slight accident, but we're going to replay. Steve, go.
Got any worms?
And again, go.
Kill that away.
Here we go. Steamy. Me and Steve are posting this in major hangovers this morning. Major hangovers. The sun just coming up.
God! Oh, it had been in the net 2 minutes ago. Oh, well done, Keith.
Get in there, Keith.
Well done.
Keith's first blood. Surprise, are coming. No. Yeah, well done, mate.
Well done, boy. That's £12. One eye.
We had that fish yesterday. £28 of sheer Ebro force.
Wow. Get in there.
Could be a cat.
Could be a cat, get in.
You're speaking there or not?
Carp.
I've got a frag in my mouth, haven't I?
Perhaps see more cats. That little...
Yeah, I got him.
You.
Little pasty.